the hiccups? Do you have the hiccups? I think someone's got the hiccups. And I think someone's gonna fall asleep on the couch. Oh, look how cute you are. So cute.